thunderstorm warning for Smith County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, Northeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Montgomery County in Middle Tennessee, Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Stewart County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, Northeastern Houston County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, Macon County in Middle Tennessee, Trousdale County in Middle Tennessee, Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:51 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles north of Cross Plains to near Coopertown to 13 miles northeast of Erin, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Clarksville, Gallatin, Lebanon, Springfield, Ashland City, Lafayette, Carthage, Erin, Hartsville, Fort Campbell, Madison, Hendersonville, Mount Juliet, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Coopertown, Lakewood, and Westmoreland. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 92 and 121. Interstate 24 between mile markers 1 and 42. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Middle Tennessee.
0 people.
The National Weather